Alright, so this is my, well, it's been about 4, yeah, I think last one I did was she was 3 months. So it's been 4 months now. She's 7 months. See, she got a whole lot bigger. Got a cage full. Cash, what's up? Say what's up. Put your ear down. Get off me, man. Get off. Why are you jumping for? So, yeah. I mean, she's still skinny as hell and hyper. I don't know why I'm doing the videos to let y'all keep up with her, but it's straight. About time for her to go and eat. Go run around somewhere. Go run. Where you to it? Sit. I ain't got no treat for you. But I'm thinking about getting another one. I don't know. I might get a boy this time. Thinking about it real heavy. I can't even take care of my damn self trying to take care of a damn dog. But she look good though. I just want to put some weight on her. I don't want to get her none of that bully mat stuff. But put some weight on her, I might do it. Got all the teeth. Tongue look right nasty. Why you always jumping for? Cash. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. She's got this fence like last week for $100. Man was selling it on Facebook. 10 by 10. Got a little tarp thing from my granddad. She kinda like, I ain't gonna say she like it, but she kinda like it. Come on. Come on. Told you. So I ain't gonna say she like it. Dog food. What kind? Deprived. When I first got it, she didn't like it. Yeah, grandma. Yeah, grandma cash.